morning, room service. This is Jenny speaking. How can I help you?
Good morning. Who would like to order for breakfast?
Okay, ma'am. May I have your name and room number, please?
Yeah, sure. This is Mary Jo Avila and my room number is 411.
Thank you for that information, Miss Avila. What would you like to order, ma'am? We have American, Filipino, and continental breakfast.
How about your continental breakfast? May I know this place?
Yes, sure, ma'am. For our continental breakfast, we have toasted bread, eggs, fresh fruits, and your choice glass of mango pineapple orange juice.
Yeah, I'll take it with a glass of orange juice.
Okay, noted, ma'am. Is there anything else, ma'am, would you like to add?
I guess that's all.
May I repeat your order, ma'am? You have a continental breakfast with three slices of bread, a slice of fresh fruit, and glass of orange juice for one person. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes, that's right.
For your payment, ma'am, would you like it to be room charge or through cash?
I pay with a card. How much is my bill?
Your bill, ma'am, is 320 pesos and your bill will be sent together with your breakfast.
Okay, sure.
Okay, ma'am, your breakfast will be delivered 30 minutes from now. Thank you for calling. Enjoy your day.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Room service. Room service for Miss Avila.
Yes,
Here's your breakfast, ma'am. May we come in?
yes, that's okay.
Where do you want to put your breakfast, ma'am?
Yes, put it.
Is there anything else, ma'am, you need? Okay, ma'am, here's your bill. But first, you signature in this side. But please, ma'am, read your bill before you sign it. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
I'll be back in hour, and if you need something, just call room service, or you can put your plate outside. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Room service. Hello, ma'am. I'm back. Can I get your plate?
Yes, please.
How's your food, ma'am?
It was great.
Oh, that's what's good to hear. Is there anything else you need, ma'am?
No thanks.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for serving.